would you call this expedition, Hannah?
Save a hoe. Mission save a hoe. Hello everybody, Emmeline here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's travel vlog is on my most recent trip to Arkansas. It was actually my first trip post-COVID or during COVID or whatever. So yeah, let's get into this natural state loving. So we were actually going to Missouri to float on the Elk River. It's about an hour's drive from Arkansas. And we were a little concerned about whether or not we were going to be able to even float because the water was super high, meaning you just have to be super careful. But we made it. I forgot I was trying to blog all this shit. I did the plane ride, but I didn't do nothing since we got here. Say hey, beautiful people. Beautiful people. So once everyone gets together and you pay for your rafts or canoes, you load up onto this bus. And basically what's happening is they're taking you to the top of the mountain or river and letting you off on your rafts so that you can spend all day floating down back to your cars. The innovation. Needless to say, I was drunk before I got on the water. I'm already drunk. Yeah, this whole float trip was while we are all here. Ask Hannah. It's my idea.
Thank you, Emma.
All right, hold up. I'm right here.
I'm just gonna jump in as soon as you get it out there. Well, you're gonna get hurt.
Woo!
Use that muscle.
Woo! Oh shit! It's too early.
Go over there.
Oh, everyone likes the camera. They see this camera and they yell. I gotta say, typically a day on the river is the most peaceful thing you could ever imagine. But this was my first time going out on like a big holiday, and it was just so many people everywhere. I just could not believe the amount of people on the river. And with the water being so high, it was a pretty dangerous day to be on the water, to be honest.
Look, y'all can't be arguing like this during the docking.
We like arc around it?
Yeah, we'll just arc around.
So if you've ever been rafting, then you know it's not always easy. It takes a lot of communication and teamwork. And there's always that one person who is telling everyone what to do, but doesn't even have an oar, and that person is me.
Everybody roll straight. Y'all know more than y'all. We are. If the left side goes, if the right side goes, we'll make it.
But the river's going that way.
Yo, we're going this way. We're not gonna make that.
Well, at least I don't have to go work out tomorrow. So.
So we did dock for a bit despite the high waters, but there's just way too many people around. Like, it's COVID-19. We gotta get back on the water. Because we're going straight for this shit right here. Susie.
Where you gonna touch? Say, let's go.
Oh shit.
Yeah, I was trying to
Said
tell
we'll
you.
probably tip.
Oh my god.
Susie! Jesus Christ!
Unnecessary.
Go ahead, baby. Susie! What? The crazy thing is, this bridge wasn't even the half of it.
Right side.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Okay, yeah, we can't. We're gonna go to the no, Emily. We're going under that. Everybody got duck down. Okay, everybody's got a row.
He dead at how he dipped down like so prematurely. But listen to my sister flip her shit.
We gotta go to the right side. The right guys to the right. Paddle!
Hey, look at that.
Oh my God, everybody's
Paddle! 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 Oh my God!
Back off it. It's cushioned.
Paddle!
Duck. Paddle, paddle. Everybody duck! Susie, duck. We got a dock.
Are we docking?
Yes, yes, we are docking.
Not right here.
No, let's go to
This is very coronavirus. I don't think we should dock here.
God, that was so much fun. Let's
social distancing.
Oh my God, they're bouncing the wall.
Oh my God, people are really getting stuck.
So we finally docked again, and it was pretty lit, but I was just getting drunk and restless.
Doing a panoramic.
Coming back. Coming back.
Panoramic.
Coming back.
Panoramic.
You're gonna turn that side out.
Coming back. Coming back.
Seriously, play some twerk music.
No.
There were a lot of people floating by, so I grabbed a life vest and just decided to float on about my way through the river without a raft or kayak or anything. And I separated from the group for like 30 minutes. I just floated ahead and they chilled out for a bit longer and caught up to me.
What'd you call this expedition, Hannah?
Save a hoe.
Mission save a hoe.
Mission save a hoe.
Almost complete. 90%.
Oh God, you can't make this up.
95% complete.
She just wanted to swim. Look at her. We weren't gonna leave you.
I definitely was just relaxing and enjoying my time out there the whole time. They thought they were rescuing me, but I was good. I didn't even spill my drink. Good times.
In the current, no. But it was cool. I was like, just relax.
But the rest of our day was smooth sailing from there. We had an amazing time. We did get some bad news towards the end of the day. There were 21 river rescues and 1 drowning victim that day. So yeah, everyone didn't have as great a time as we did, and definitely rest in peace to whoever the victim was that day. But for us, we were blessed with an amazing Memorial Day float trip. And thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and like this video and all that good stuff. Peace.
Are we going the right way? No, I don't see cars.